All right, guys, we are here. It's the conclusion of the 2025 Memorial Matchup, SCDRL. We have the grand prize drawing. So these are all of our grand prize setups out here. Custom AFX cars, custom Lexan body, Viper chassis, same thing right here. Photo finish bodies, gift cards, super tires, Enzo rings, and Midland radio. So just a quick shout out to our sponsors, because without them we wouldn't be able to provide all these awesome prizes. We have Harry Canary Bodies, DeFalco Design, Super Tires, Jag Hobbies, Lucky Bob's Raceway, Bomb Ass Beef Jerky, AFX, BRS Hobbies, HC Slots, Midland Radio, Cody Clark, Radical Bodies, Enzo Rings, Viper Scale Racing, RC Superstore, and Photo Finish. So the way that this works, guys, is every single entry, which we had 140 entries, so they're all in here. Every single entry gets you an opportunity to win something from our grand prize drawing. So even if you didn't win your race, all that stuff, you feel like, oh, I don't have time to tune my car or this or that, this is another opportunity for you to win cool prizes. And these are usually higher dollar prizes, but we do try to mix in stuff with our regular prizes. So you will see some super tire packs, which, you know, have good value, all the way up to a $125 custom car, collectors cars, custom paint jobs, Midland radio. I'm not sure how much these are, but everything on the table has awesome value. It is far beyond the $5 entry. So the first one up, we will pull.
It's gonna be full.
Oh, sorry, we'll put that right there. We will do a Viper $25 gift card. So we have Red 56, which is Keith Atkinson. Keith Atkinson, you got it. So that is donated by Cody Clark. He was cool enough. He's a racer with you guys, so you guys have seen him. He usually enters quite a bit of cars and classes, but he wanted to sponsor, and he said, hey, can I buy some gift cards to throw into the prize pool? Super cool. If you guys have stuff you want to donate into this, if you have a drag car or extra body, anything you want to donate as a prize, we would love to see that. We'd love to pass your custom stuff on to someone else, and maybe you'll race against it, you know, someday, which is pretty cool. So next up, we'll do the photo finish body donated by Joe Levan, photofinish@yahoo.com. Really, really cool, real nice setups. We got a card here. So we got B53, which is Rick Heiss. So blue 53, Rick Heiss. I believe that is Vitamin C. Yeah, Vitamin C. So he was a winner in Pro Index, runner-up in, what was it? Oh no, he won in Top Eliminator, and I think he runner-up in Pro Index. So he got a good haul. I think he even won a car. So Rick is killing it this time around. Next up for super tires. Whoa, that was a bunch stuck together. For super tires, we'll do this pack here. We got Red 44, Clark Gainer. Clark Gainer, Red 44. So we got some AFX Mega G tires, AFX 4 gear, AFX 474, 490, low, and Tomy turbo tires. So great job. Make sure you guys are filling out the race prize, what is it?
Race prize shipping.
Race prize shipping, to put in that you have race prizes, so that Sam or the girls or whoever's doing the shipping knows that there is a race prize that needs to be getting returned with your car. So make sure you do that. Next up, we will do the AFX body donated by, or car donated by HC Slots. So these are a limited edition run. This is number 1291. I'm not sure how many they did, but probably 3,000. So this is number 1291. And blue 94, Clark Gainer, again, another Clark Gainer, which I think was what we just pulled. Yeah. And what's crazy is they were even done at different times, maybe even by a different person. So that is wild. Also pretty cool. I'll put Clark's stuff. We'll put it out here. We can get a flyby of everything later on. All right, next up, we'll do another set of super tires. Super tires again, and you know, this is one of those things, guys, where the more entries you have, the more chances you get. So Thomas Prostick, red 40, a pack of super tires, so awesome. Thank you for participating. Next up, we will do this custom body donated by Rob Herbert in conjunction with Viper Scale Racing. So it's got a Alki Funny Car chassis under it, which is gonna be, you know, something that's gonna run sub 5s. Real fast car, real nice looking paint job on it by Rob. So thank you to Rob. Let's see who it's gonna be. Cody Clark, blue 90. Cody Clark wins that one. So really killer score right there for Cody. We'll throw that in there. Next up, Midland Radio, donated by Stuart Barber. And also too, guys, you can't win your own stuff. So if I do draw Stuart's name, Cody Clark again, B89, literally the next ticket in line. That is insane. So Cody Clark, Midland Radio, might be a new hobby for you to get into, who knows? Next up, donated by RC Superstore, the custom Alfa Romeo F1 from Spa 2023. So I think this one, number 77, that's got to be Valtteri Bottas. This car could race SCDRL if you wanted it to, but we will see who gets the win. Stuart Barber, red 75. Red 75, Stuart Barber. I knew Stuart was coming up out of there. I knew it. But super tires be our next thing. Let's see who we got. Keith Atkinson, yellow 62. Keith Atkinson, yellow 62. I think that is Keith's also. Man, crazy double ups, huh? We'll do Cody's $25 gift card. Let's see who we got here. So Larry, not sure the last name, but it starts with an M.
Yeah, Larry
Maloser, blue 70. So Larry Maloser, thanks to Cody Clark, you have a $25 gift card. These we will issue you $25 of store credit. So when you go to checkout, it'll say you have $25 and you can apply it to your order or not. So really cool. Thanks to Cody for providing that for us. Next up, we're gonna do Enso rings. So these guys are just right around the corner. They make all kinds of different rings, some pretty cool stuff. This is a voucher for a free ring. So we like to try to get local sponsors involved, and it's something that you can go on, pick out, order, and you know, it's just a cool prize. It's non-slot car. So Joe Reichrath, blue 54, you're the winner of that one. Congrats. Down to our last two. We'll do the AFX card donated by Brian at BRS Hobbies. So pretty cool car, part number 22030. This is, okay, I was like, it's got GM licensing. Has GM and Ford licensing on the package, but it is a Ford GT. We'll see who takes this one here. Go as far in as we can. Gabe Zammer, yellow 23. Gabe Zammer, great job. And lastly, I don't even remember what car is under this thing. Looks like a Bracket Master with a custom paint job by Tawny. Nice green money paint job. This is donated by Viper, obviously, Viper bag and everything like that. So this will be our last prize of the event. Last time you guys see us until the next one. And we have red 61, Cody Clark is our winner of that car. So Cody hauling it in right there, guys.
Definitely helps get the entries.
Yeah, I think he had 12 entries, I want to say. So doesn't mean you always have to have 12 entries, but you know what? Cody loves building stuff. Him and Ronnie Mullins out of Colorado, they love building cars. And I think that, you know, to send off a car and have $5 for it to race, guaranteed 3 passes, a ticket to the grand prize drawing and a chance to win first or second in the race. So pretty awesome. Always encourage you guys to do more. We might do something where we can discount additional entries, but it's only $5, so I don't know that that is actually the deal breaker. If you're worried about your cars, if you're worried about sending too many cars at once, I would say just make sure you insure the package. We didn't have any problems with anybody this time around. Haven't had any problems sending any cars back. So now that we've kind of set the deadline and we have more time between our races, we have the system pretty dialed in. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully enjoyed the series. We can't wait to announce the next one, and we'll see you guys soon.